Hi guys, today I'll tell you how to make a whitening mask based on just 2 ingredients. To prepare the mask you'll need 1 small potato and 1 small cucumber. Grate both ingredients in a fine grater and mix well. Spread the mass of cleansed face and leave for 15 minutes. After the time, remove the mask, wash your face with cool water and apply a nourishing cream. Repeat this procedure once a week for 2 months. This mask has an instant tonic and whitening properties, eliminates shine and evens the tone of the face.